know. Nice.
Watch me while I stand here. Watch my feet, my stance, my body language. I'm not someone to be messed with. I'm a boss on a mission. Know you're challenging the best here. Now it's gonna be real hard, but I'm gonna be okay. As long as I try real hard, I'm always gonna find my way. I'ma find my way.
Let me tell 'em, I'ma stand up like a soldier. Oh, I'ma get 'em till it's over. Oh, I'll keep marching to the beat till there's bruises.
Every night I go sneaking out the door. I lie a little more, baby, I'm a helpless. There's something about the night and the way it hides all the things I like. Little black butterflies deep inside me. What would my mama do? She knew about me and you. What would my dad say? If he saw me hurt this way. Why should I feel ashamed, feeling guilty at the mention of your name? Here we are again, it's nearly perfect. What would my mama do? She knew about me and you. What would my dad say? If he saw me hurt this way. What would my mama do? What would my daddy say? All the things a girl should know, all the things she can't control.